Hello and welcome to IMEQ platform. As a current or future employer, you may want to start by clicking the icon with the question mark next to test groups. You may start by registering candidates in the platform, or if IMEQ team has already done so on your behalf, you may begin viewing the status of the assessments. If you wish to add candidates on your profile, you may do so by clicking the add icon next to each group and add as many seafarers as your purchased package allows. In addition, once you register a candidate, an automatic email is sent to the candidate with the account details required to log into their accounts and initiate the testing process. In order to view the results of the candidates, you may click on the folder icon next to your group's name. You may also sort your candidates' profiles by suitability ranking based on how well they did, sorted by test. If you want to view each candidate individually, you may start by clicking next to each name and you will be directed to their results. By pressing the icon with the question mark, further information on what the scale measures will be shown. Test scales and reports show the automatically generated reports of the candidates. You may find a report for each test the candidate has taken. In order to go back to your home page, click back to Overview Company. IMEQ has 4 packages. Ocean 1, 2 and 3 are packages aimed for the seafarers as individuals. However, Ocean 4 is recommended for office-based employees, and so you may have an overview of a department's results by clicking under Department Performance and scrolling through the department of your choice. This is a great way to interpret a department's psychosocial work status. Finally, you may always find more information on the assessment and all legal aspects by clicking on Resources on the top of the page. IMEQ platform is the most advanced tool for human resources specialists in the maritime industry to select, promote, and retain seafarers or office-based employees. The assessment is offered in English, Greek, Russian, Japanese and Ukrainian languages for the ultimate results. The companies have immediate access to the results, which are automatically generated. As a company, you will have an advisor appointed to take you through every step and make further recommendations. Thank you for choosing IMEQ Center.